Alright, I was able to find the fix. Yeah, I know, it's encoding overloaded. So's my brain. Alright, I was able to get it fixed, the header banner area. Turns out that apparently they had some kind of a vote in the Wilcity community of which page editor to have as like the main one for Wilcity. Elementor is the one. So when you install, just select Elementor and you need to go over to your plugins and deactivate WP Bakery. So just deactivate it, because if you activate it, see how the header is there? If you activate it, refresh that page, this happens. And if this doesn't happen, you have a long list of words coming down the screen like a menu. Instead of going this way, it goes top to bottom. But we're going to go back here into plugins. We're going to scroll down to WP Bakery, deactivate.